Hi everyone, welcome back. Let's continue with our questions. Today, grade 12 physics, momentum and impulse, day 16. Please go to other day's questions. And then you know our system. We are using 30 seconds for each question. You are trying first, and then we are answering with you. First of all, please take your exam pad and try to answer questions. Number one, question, momentum question is coming now. It is number 4 from our past paper. So, two friends, they are coming to each other, all right. First, girl A, and her wheelchair is 60 kg. Mass, we know, okay. For A, mass is 60 kg, and then speed to the right, 0.60 meter per second, and then next one, B, her wheelchair, B and wheelchair together, 85 kg. Okay, mass, we know. And they collide each other. Okay, and then after collision, A moving to the left with 0.20, they're gonna ask you velocity for B and other questions. Okay, they collide each other and separate. Okay, all givens, you can write it down. And let's answer our first question. 4.1, conservation of momentum in words. Please try. Write on your exam pad, please. Write it down, your answer, and the next slide, we'll check together your answer. Okay, please take your time if you need more. Conservation of momentum, what's that? Please write it down. I think 30 seconds more than enough for this question. Yes, time's up. Let's see our answer. Conservation of momentum is the total linear momentum of an isolated system. Yeah, this is an important one. Please don't forget to say that. Remains constant. This is our answer for conservation of momentum. All right, question 4.1, done. Let's continue with next one. Calculate the velocity of the friend on wheelchair B after collision. That's our question. Please try. You have 30 seconds. You know all givens, right? But what I'm going to ask you on your exam pad, during exam on the question paper, please write all givens, whatever we know. Because for momentum, we need mass. Let's say MA is, this is VA. Okay, velocity is given. VA before collision, you can say VA initial, it is given. And then MA is, what was it? MA 60 kg. We know these details. From question paper, yes, it is there. But on the diagram, if you write, it's going to be perfect. It's going to be much easier for you. And then MA, we know, even after collision, still the same, 60 kg. And what is this? VA final. So we're writing WAF. Okay. VA final is equal to 0.20 meter per second. But please remember, this is going to the right, that one is going to the left. When you're answering, if you choose this side positive, other one is negative. All right. If you say right side positive, it depends on which side you are choosing positive. And what else we know? MB equals 85 kg. Okay. And then VB initial equals 0. That one also given. As you see, we are not answering question now, just writing down whatever we know. All right, that's very important. If you do like this, it's going to be much easier for you, because they said who is stationary before collision. So VB initial equals 0. So MB, we can write after collision, still same 85 kg. And we are looking for VB final. I hope question is clear now. Maybe you answer already. All right. So because I want to share with you, this method is very good, very important for you. Good luck. 30 seconds. Start from now. We are looking for velocity of B after collision. Let's give you time. If you want to get Good mark for final exam. Please try. Trying is the key. Last 5 seconds. Yes, time is going now. Done. Okay, now we can show our answer. What we are going to do, we are using conservation of momentum. Let's continue. This is our answer now. All givens. Let's clear all. So, what we know, initial, final, everything we know, we are using conservation of momentum. Total P initial momentum, total initial momentum equals total final. But before you answering question, you have 2 options. First option, you can choose right to be positive. Now I know this side positive, and then I'm going to take this one positive, this is negative. Remember that. All right. And then final answer. If your final answer is positive, you can say to the right, because when you start, you are saying right positive. All right. So, and then MA times V initial or V initial A is fine, plus MB times initial velocity for B equals MA times final velocity for A plus MB times final velocity for B. This is our case 1. We are separating like this, case 1, 2, 3 to make it easy. First case, they collide and separate. Second one, they collide and moving together. If they are moving together, what you are going to do for this side, MA plus MB times V final, because just using as a one object altogether, you know, just one thing moving together. If they are moving together, for now they don't move together, but maybe initially they are coming together and then separate from each other. If you have that kind of question, you are going to say MA plus MB times V initial and then separate them. All right, just remember they can ask 3 different cases. First one, they collide and separate like this one. First one is here. And second one, they collide and moving together. Third one, initially they are together and then separate from each other. Remember these all options, all cases. So you are just calculating, putting all, mass is 60, velocity is 0.6. You see, we are using positive. And then 85 times 0, because B initially is 0, equals 60 times negative. This point is important. You said right, positive, and you are using negative for 0.22 V A final, plus 85 times, just it is here, 80 times V B final. And then you are calculating that. Other option, left positive. If you take left positive, it means, okay, let's clear all. It means this side is negative, other side, this one is positive. All right. And then your final answer, if it is positive, you can say to the left. If it is negative, just like this answer, you should say right. Just opposite everything. All right. As you say, you said right positive, you got positive. Now you said right positive, but you got negative because object is going to the left. Sorry, going to the right, opposite direction, negative. All right. So same calculations, but only this one is negative now, other one is positive, and then done to the right. So this question 4.2 done. Let's continue with next one. Let's see what else they are asking. Now elastic and inelastic. So firstly, just asking you elastic or inelastic, but show with your calculation. Okay, you should remember what? Kinetic energy. If initial kinetic energy equal to final kinetic energy, you can say elastic. If they are not equal, inelastic. All right, please start to try. That's our question. 4.3, I think it's last one. Yeah, out of 12 total. Out of 12, let's see what you are getting. Yes. Action time, we are saying. Please try. Time is getting, yes, time is over now. Time's up. Let's continue. We don't need any more this one. So we can carry on with our answer. Now we are looking for elastic or inelastic. First of all, let's read this note from memorandum. They said, if learners start with EK final equals EK initial minus 1 mark. We cannot say that, all right? Initially, we cannot say that. We should calculate first. Initial kinetic energy, final kinetic energy, we should calculate first, and then we can say they are equal or not. If they are equal, we are going to say our collision is elastic. If they are not equal like this one, we can say inelastic. All right. So, but remember, you wrote already on the question paper, right? What we have, V A initial, they said V initial A, okay, V initial A, and then MA we know 60 kg. And what else I know? V, if I say this side positive, you can use different option also for this one. If this side, but for now, for kinetic energy, positive, negative doesn't work because you are taking square here. So you don't have to take direction for the, we can leave it, it's fine. V final for A equals 0,20, and mass 60 for A, for B, MB is equal to 85 kg. I know all these things. And kinetic energy for A plus for B before collision. All right, we are calculating both and adding them all. And then same stuff after collision, you are calculating, you know this formula, all just calculating. And then as you see, they are not equal. EK final is not equal to EK initial, or total before is not equal to total EK after. You can say one of these. Because of that, we have inelastic. All right. So this is our answer. But initially, you cannot say this. All right. Even you cannot say they are not equal. So just leave it, wait, calculate, and say something. All right. If they are equal, yes, of course, we are going to say equal, but not initial. We will not start with that. All right. So we have done for today. Let's see any other question. Yeah, yes. Thank you very much, everyone. Good luck. Please study well. Please try first. Always. We have something as just like other lessons. Thanks for watching, let's say, and then don't forget to do something. All right. Thank you very much. See you next lesson with more questions.